Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear friends, today we will talk about types of organization, which is also a course and a topic which we have to cover in PMP. Before going to detail, let's talk about organization. That what is organization? Most of you are familiar with organization and its definition. Still, I have written here the definition of an organization. An organized group of people with a particular purpose, such as a business or government department, means organization. It is a organized group of people means many people combine and they have a common purpose. It's such like a business or they want to make a department, and such business or department they are covered under the term organization. Now come to our original topic, that is type of organization. Sometimes it's also called types of organizational structure. Therefore, don't be confused by organizational structure or just type of organization. Basically, there are three common types of organization. There is a functional, projectized, and matrix organization. We will study in detail about each type of organization. Functional organization. Actually, for functional organization, in functional organization, the departmental head is the boss. He is responsible for everything, and the staff has to report to the departmental head. Just like account department has accounts manager. All the staff will report to account manager. Just like can take the procurement department, there is procurement manager. All the staff will report to procurement manager. Such type of organization is called functional organization. And the organization chart of functional structure shows the role hierarchy. For example, president, vice president, finance department, sales department, customer service, administration, etc. Means this is just like a hierarchy. Who will report to whom? So the staff will report to the departmental head. Departmental head will report to the top authority and top management, but they will not report to the project manager. This is a functional organization. Now let's see what is advantages and disadvantages of functional organization. First of all, the advantage of functional organization is that employees are grouped by their knowledge and skills, allowing them to achieve their high performance. Like in procurement department, everyone is concerned with procurement. He has experience in procurement, so they are grouped. The same knowledge and the same skill people are grouped into one department. Therefore, their performance is increasing and improving. The other advantage is the hierarchy is clear. This reduces the number of communication channels. If we talk about the functional organization and refer to this sentence, the hierarchy is clear. It means there is a procurement department, this procurement manager. Everyone will report to procurement manager. Means there will be no miscommunication. Like if the procurement department, they will not report to planning manager or QC manager like these. So he will just report to the their procurement department head, that is procurement manager, which will improve the communication also. Communication is frictionless within the department. The communication is frictionless. There is no obstacle in the communication. You have prepared a report, or you have any problem, or you want to convey your message, anything, you have directly contact your department head. Employees feel secure, they perform well without fear. Employees have a job security. The biggest benefit of the advantage of functional organization is that the employees has job security, because functional organization, the at completion of the project, they will not deploy their employees to other projects or other areas, but they will continue their jobs in the same department, same location. And because of job security, employees tend to be loyal to the organization. And the functional organization, the employees are loyal to the organization. They are thinking about the organization. They are working for the welfare of the organization. They are working and struggling for the improvement of organization, because they will be in the same organization. Employees have a clear career growth. Now the question arises, how they have clear career growth? Because everyone has grouped, or the persons having same skills They are grouped into functional or a same department. Therefore, they have a clear growth. They have the opportunity to learn from each other. They have the opportunity to share their knowledge with others. Therefore, in functional organization, everybody has a clear career growth. Cooperation is excellent with the department. It's obvious everyone is within the same department and everyone is sharing experience, everything with each other. Therefore, cooperation is excellent within the department. Some disadvantages are also there for functional organization, and that is personal bias may affect employees' role morale. For example, an employee may feel demoralized when a low-performing employee is promoted. This happens usually happens, but it's not that much critical. But we can say this is a disadvantage of the functional organization. When the organization becomes larger, functional areas can become challenging to manage. Each department may start behaving like a small company with its facilities. It's also obvious when an organization is increasing in size, definitely the size of the departments will also increase. What will happen? The department will be so big that it will be act like it's a company. Therefore, it's a bit difficult to manage. Functional department may be distracted by departmental goals rather than organizational goals. And it is also disadvantage because everyone will work to improve their department, not as a whole organization. Employees do not learn any new skills and their roles don't change often. As they are working in the same department, same role, same skills, everybody has the same skills, therefore they don't learn new skills. Like if a person is working in the planning, he cannot learn about QC, he cannot learn about the procurement. If a person is working in the procurement, he cannot learn about planning, he cannot learn about accounts, he cannot learn about QC. Therefore there is a shortage or limitation to learning and improving their skills. Employees are grouped by their knowledge and skills, allowing them to achieve high performance. This is, you can say, an advantage which we have already discussed. These are the advantages and disadvantages of functional organization. This is the chart which you can see organization influences in project life cycle. Functional organization, there the CEO or chief executive. Project coordination, if you look into the project coordination, it is between functional manager. The staff is not involved in this coordination. The staff is just reporting to their functional managers, and the functional managers, what they are doing, they are communicating with each other, and as a result they are reporting to the CEO or chief executive officer. Projectized organization, it's clear from the name. Projectized, like this is a project based organization. In projectized organization, all activities are managed through the projects. This organization is just for the project. The staff is hired for the project. When the project is completed, the staff is dispersed and they are no more a part of that project. So therefore it is called projectized organization. In projectile organization, the employees are encouraged to share their lessons learned. At the same time, they allow others to learn and benefit from a shared corporate knowledge base. In these organizations, the project team, they can share their lessons learned, which we have to collect at the end of completion of each project, so that we can utilize them in the future. In projectized organization, the staff can share their lessons learned, and project managers are in charge and they have complete authority over resources. All team members report to them. Project manager is the boss. He is the one, everyone has to report to him. This is projectized organization. He has the authority to complete authority over all resources, either it is foreman, construction manager, whatsoever. What is involved in the project, the project manager has authority over all. Now, advantages and disadvantages of projectized organization. First of all, projectized organizations are dynamic and adaptive. This is dynamic and adaptive. Project managers have full authority over project resources. They control the budget and work assignments. Obvious. Project managers have full-time team members under their control. Yes, he has control over all the team all the time. Team members are often co-located for better performance until the project ends, and he can shuffle the team from one place to another place, or from one responsibility to another responsibility, just for the improvement of their performance. Keep in mind one thing for the projectized organization, that here or you will read about term no home. In projectized organization, the staff doesn't have the staff will have no home. This term will be used. It means that when the project will complete, they will have to leave. Means they don't have job security. Disadvantages: team members are loyal to the project goal. Yes, the team is loyal to the project goal because the project will fail. As a result, they will fail. Team members report directly to project manager. The line of authority is clear. This reduces conflict and decision making is faster and more flexible. Yes. A single reporting system helps shorten communication lines, creating effective communication within the team. Communication is fast because of a single authority. This helps solve stakeholder concerns quickly. Projectized organizational structure. Here you can see chief executive, then project coordination. Project coordination, if you look into detail, there is project manager and the staff is reporting to project manager. And the project manager, he is directly reporting to chief executive. And just not just like a functional organization, when the staff is reporting to the functional managers then communicate with each other. After that, they're reporting to chief executive. In this case, the project manager is directly reporting to the chief executive officer. Matrix organizational structure. Sometimes the project manager and functional manager, they are sharing the powers. Such organizations are called matrix organization. A matrix organization structure is the workplace format in which employees report to two or more managers rather than one manager, overseeing every aspect of a project. Team members are loyal to the project goals. The staff has to report to more than one boss or more than one manager. They will report to project manager and they will also report to the functional manager. Such type of organization is called matrix organization. For example, an employee may have a primary manager they report to, as well as one or more project manager they work under. Like a departmental manager, they will report to departmental manager, which we can say their primary manager, and then they have to report to the project manager. Again, there we have some more types of matrix organization, that is weak matrix, balanced matrix, strong matrix. In the weak matrix, the authority or decision making power is with the functional manager, and project manager, he is weak. He doesn't have any authority to make decision, or he doesn't have the power to make decisions. Balance matrix. In balance matrix, both the project manager and functional manager, they have equal powers and they both have the authority to make decision. In strong matrix, the project manager has the authority. He has the power to make decisions. He has the authority to make decisions. Advantages of matrix organization. Number one is increased communication efficiency, improve employee motivation. Yes, definitely, when there will be two bosses, they will try to motivate their staff in their own way. Increased teamwork and maximize resources usage, increased employee professional development. But it also has some disadvantages. Potential conflicts between managers and projects. Yes, when there were two bosses, definitely there will conflict will arise, and it definitely as a result will affect the projects and organization. Authority confusion. Yes, the people are confused to whom they should report. Either can report to functional manager or departmental manager or the project manager, and reduce employees effectiveness, and it will discourage the employees to work with their heart. Increased management overhead cost. Yes, because there will be the two managers, it will increase the overhead cost, because if there is one project running and there will be two bosses, they have to bear the two bosses or the two managers from the same project. As a result, it will increase the overhead cost of the organization. This is all about the types of organization. In the next lecture, inshallah, we will solve some sample questions on such in this topic, means types of organization. For that, stay tuned and to subscribe our channel, and see you again inshallah. Thank you so much.